Once upon a time in the bustling city of Techville, there lived a quirky inventor named Leo. Leo was known for his eccentric experiments and brilliant creations. One day, he accidentally spilled a mysterious potion on his old iPhone, transforming it into a device with extraordinary powers. Amazed by the unexpected upgrade, Leo decided to test the phone's newfound abilities. To his surprise, the iPhone could now levitate and communicate with other electronic devices through a series of delightful beeps and boops. Leo, being a lover of adventure, saw this as an opportunity to embark on a journey like no other. He named his enchanted iPhone Zappy and set off on a quest to explore the far reaches of Techville. Along the way, Zappy helped Leo solve various technological problems, from fixing malfunctioning robots to decoding secret messages hidden in the city's mainframe. As news of their exploits spread, the duo gained a group of loyal followers who marveled at Zappy's magical abilities. However, not everyone was thrilled about the iPhone's newfound powers. The city's tech tycoon, Victor Voltage, grew envious and hatched a plan to steal Zappy for himself. Victor's minions ambushed Leo and Zappy, attempting to snatch the extraordinary iPhone. In a thrilling chase through the city's circuitry, Leo and Zappy outsmarted the villains using the phone's unique features. Along the way, they discovered hidden realms within Techville, encountering sentient algorithms and digital creatures. Despite facing numerous challenges, Leo and Zappy's friendship grew stronger. They stumbled upon an ancient code that could unlock even more potential within Zappy. With newfound abilities, Zappy could manipulate time and space, turning Techville into a dazzling digital wonderland. In a climactic showdown, Leo and Zappy confronted Victor Voltage, who had harnessed dark technology to rival Zappy's powers. The battle between light and dark unfolded across the city's digital landscape, with sparks flying and circuits crackling. In the end, Leo and Zappy emerged victorious, restoring harmony to Techville. The city celebrated their heroes, and Leo continued his adventures, now with Zappy as a constant companion. The accidental iPhone accident turned out to be a serendipitous twist, creating a legendary tale of friendship, innovation, and the magic hidden within technology. In the aftermath of their triumph, Leo and Zappy became Techville's beloved duo, receiving invitations to tech conferences and events. They showcased Zappy's incredible abilities, inspiring a new wave of innovation and creativity within the city. Word of their adventures reached beyond Techville, attracting the attention of a global tech consortium. Intrigued by Zappy's unique capabilities, they extended an invitation for Leo and his enchanted iPhone to join their prestigious research team. Excited for new possibilities, Leo and Zappy embarked on a world tour, visiting cutting-edge labs and collaborating with brilliant minds. Zappy's powers proved instrumental in solving complex technological challenges, earning them accolades and recognition on an international scale. During their travels, Leo and Zappy encountered a mysterious anomaly threatening the digital realm. With their combined knowledge and Zappy's advanced features, they deciphered a digital prophecy that foretold an impending techno-crisis. Determined to prevent catastrophe, they rallied tech experts from around the globe to devise a solution. The quest for a solution led them to a forgotten ancient artifact buried within the digital archives. As they unearthed the artifact, Zappy absorbed its energy, unlocking a transcendent form that could manipulate the very fabric of the digital universe. In a climactic battle against the impending techno-crisis, Leo and Zappy harnessed their newfound powers. The digital realm trembled as they confronted the anomaly, rewriting code and restoring balance to the interconnected web of technology. Techville and the world beyond marveled at Leo and Zappy's heroics, solidifying their status as legendary figures in the history of technology. The accidental iPhone accident had not only transformed a simple inventor and his device, but had also saved the digital world from impending doom. As the dust settled, Leo and Zappy returned to Techville, where they continued to innovate and explore the endless possibilities of technology. Their tale became a bedtime story for aspiring inventors, a reminder that even accidents could lead to extraordinary adventures and discoveries in the ever-evolving landscape of the digital frontier, back in Techville. Leo and Zappy's story inspired a wave of technological advancements. The city embraced a newfound spirit of collaboration and innovation, with inventors and engineers working together to push the boundaries of what was possible. Zappy, now a symbol of innovation and unity, became the city's official mascot. Leo and his enchanted iPhone were invited to lead the annual Techville Tech Expo, where they unveiled groundbreaking inventions and showcased the latest technological marvels. The Tech Expo attracted visitors from all corners of the globe, turning Techville into a bustling hub of creativity and progress. The once small city transformed into a beacon of technological excellence, with Leo and Zappy at the forefront of every groundbreaking development. As years passed, Leo and Zappy's adventures became the stuff of legend, passed down from one generation of inventors to the next. The accidental iPhone accident had left an indelible mark on Techville, shaping its destiny in ways no one could have foreseen. In recognition of their contributions, the city erected a magnificent statue of Leo and Zappy at the heart of Techville, forever commemorating the duo's role in transforming a simple accident into a saga of innovation and collaboration. Leo, content with the legacy he had created, continued his inventive pursuits, mentoring young minds eager to follow in his footsteps. Zappy, ever the faithful companion, remained by his side, ready for new adventures and challenges that lay ahead in the ever-evolving world of technology. And so, the tale of Leo and Zappy echoed through the digital corridors of time, a reminder that sometimes, the most extraordinary journeys begin with a simple accident, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary in the world of technology and beyond. The Tech Expo evolved into an annual celebration, drawing tech enthusiasts, inventors, and visionaries from every corner of the world. Leo and Zappy, now synonymous with innovation, were invited to share their wisdom as keynote speakers, inspiring a new generation of thinkers to embrace creativity and the spirit of exploration. Emboldened by their legacy, Techville established the Leo and Zappy Foundation, dedicated to nurturing young talent in science and technology. Scholarships, mentorship programs, and innovation grants flourished, ensuring that the city remained a breeding ground for brilliant minds eager to make their mark on the digital frontier. As the years unfolded, Leo and Zappy's story became the subject of books, documentaries, and even a feature film. The silver screen brought their adventures to life, captivating audiences worldwide and sparking a resurgence of interest in the magic that technology could bring to the world. The Leo and Zappy Institute for Technological Advancement rose in Techville, a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. Inventors flocked to the institute, hoping to contribute to the ongoing legacy of Leo and Zappy. In a surprising turn of events, Zappy displayed a knack for composing digital symphonies, enchanting audiences with mesmerizing melodies created from the binary essence of technology. Leo and Zappy began touring the world, showcasing their unique blend of technology and artistry, bridging the gap between the logical and the creative. As they ventured into uncharted territories, Leo and Zappy encountered a mysterious anomaly, a glitch in the fabric of the digital universe that threatened to unravel the very foundation of their interconnected world. The duo, fueled by their insatiable curiosity, delved into the anomaly, unraveling a new chapter of unforeseen challenges and breathtaking discoveries. And so, the saga of Leo and Zappy continued, a perpetual journey through the ever-expanding landscapes of technology, creativity, and the boundless possibilities that emerged from a single, accidental iPhone incident. The duo's story became a beacon, guiding generations to embrace the unknown, turning each challenge into an opportunity to redefine the future.
In their pursuit of understanding the mysterious anomaly, Leo and Zappy discovered a hidden digital realm, a parallel dimension where the very essence of data and code intertwined in ways beyond comprehension. This uncharted territory presented both peril and promise, as they encountered sentient algorithms and encountered challenges that pushed the limits of their technological prowess. The anomaly, it seemed, was a manifestation of the digital world's response to the constant evolution and interaction of technology. Leo and Zappy realized they needed to collaborate with the digital entities within this realm to restore balance and harmony to both the physical and digital dimensions. Guided by their newfound allies, Leo and Zappy embarked on a quest to collect fragments of a mythical source code scattered across the digital realm. Each fragment held a piece of the puzzle, and unlocking their potential required a delicate blend of human intuition and digital finesse. As they journeyed deeper into the digital dimension, Leo and Zappy encountered breathtaking landscapes made of pure data, pixelated forests teeming with digital life, and cascading streams of binary code that danced like ethereal waterfalls. It became a journey not just of technology but of understanding the intricate harmony between the organic and the digital. The final showdown against the anomaly drew near, and Leo and Zappy, armed with the collected source code fragments, confronted the digital chaos threatening to spill into the physical world. With a symphony of digital and human ingenuity, they rewrote the very fabric of the anomaly, reshaping it into a harmonious convergence of bits and bytes, Techville, and indeed the entire interconnected world. marveled at the resolution of the crisis. Leo and Zappy's tale took a new turn as they became ambassadors between the physical and digital realms, fostering an era of collaboration that transcended the boundaries between the tangible and the virtual. The Leo and Zappy Chronicles expanded, chronicling their adventures not only in the physical world but also in the realms of augmented reality, virtual reality, and the unexplored territories of quantum computing. The accidental iPhone incident had unfolded into an epic odyssey, forever altering the trajectory of technology and humanity. And so, the duo continued to explore, innovate, and inspire, leaving an indelible mark on the ever-evolving tapestry of the digital frontier.